Stolzberg, and we're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, who's getting ready to fry some things up.
That's right. We're doing fish and chips now.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, we're flying right to London or Scotland, right?
London. They definitely do it in England.
Yeah.
They might do it in Scotland.
Well, we're doing it in Uncle Giuseppe's.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our batter. This is a fish fry flour that we use, and this is a rice flour.
Rice flour.
It helps to keep it crispy.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna ask you if you could pour in the beer.
Of course I can.
All right, so I'm pretty much there, Lil. That's what I'm looking for.
Okay.
I'm just gonna hit it with some salt, and that's your beer batter. So this is just the same flour that I used. We're gonna take our cod, we're just gonna flour it lightly, and we're gonna throw it right in our batter. We're gonna make sure that that batter sticks to the fish.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go right in there. Drop it in. All right, Lil.
Oh,
Look at
wow. Look at that.
Isn't that nice?
Yes.
That's fish and chips, Lil.
I love this. What an
Gonna
awesome
garnish
dish.
with some lemon, maybe a sprig of parsley.
Why not, right? Add a little
All right.
green on there.
And there you go, fish and chips.
I love it. So get frying. Head to our website, newsbelt.com. You'll find the recipe there. And there's beer in it. Who knew?
I knew.